Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at the Litheli Cordless Pressure Washer. Inside it comes with the hose filter, nozzle attachment, the soap nozzle, battery, charger, user guide, and the washer gun. This is a 20-volt cordless washer, so it will work with other Litheli cordless 20-volt batteries if you have their existing products. This has 5 times more pressure than your traditional water hose, up to 320 psi, and it has a low and high setting. You can use a 16.4 foot hose to locate any water source. Typically a 5-gallon bucket will do the job. It's versatile and it can be used for washing vehicles, walls, fence, grills, patios, and more. Okay, so looking at the main unit, it's fairly light. You have the handle on the top here. Towards the front, you have the high and the low button. And then here you have the trigger along with the safety button, and then the battery pretty much just slides right in. The extension nozzle, basically you just want to insert it and then give it a little twist to lock it into place. And then you have the hose, just clips into place here, like so. And then the bottom part, you want to install the filter, and then you can just drop it in a bucket of water here. I have a 5-gallon bucket. Okay, now I'm gonna go through the different nozzle types. There's 6 different settings here. So the first one, it has a picture of like a shower head. So let's see how that goes. And this is on the high setting. Okay, next one. This one is more of an angled spray. So it's like a mist, but it's angled up. Next one is 0 degrees. So definitely this is a more powerful one. 15 degrees. Get a little bit more spray here. 25 degrees. And 40 degrees. Again, max PSI on this is 320 PSI. So attaching the soap canister, same thing as the other attachment. Basically, just want to put it in an angle and then twist, and then it locks it into place. So I have it attached to the water supply. Let's see how much it foams up. So you can see here, you know, the soap has some nice foaming action and a good spread. So along with, you know, using it for your car, you can probably wash, you know, your sidewalk or your deck. Let's see how it does with just a little bit of dirt here. I'm gonna do the probably 15 degrees and then probably move to 0 degrees if it can't get the dirt out. So this is the 15 degrees. I'm gonna keep it on the high setting. So you can see it is getting the dirt. You got to be a little bit close. Now I'm going to use the 0 degrees. Let's see if it can get most of the dirt out of here. And I'm going to have it on the high setting. Yeah, definitely you can see it getting the dirt. Right there, it is cleaning it up pretty good here. Nice. So you can see here it got the majority of the dirt. You know, it's just gonna take a little bit more time, but it looks like the 0 degrees will get the heavy dirt out of here. But you can see, you know, basically how it works. So my thoughts on the Litheli cordless power washer: very light and versatile. I definitely recommend another battery. I have a lot of the Litheli products, so you know, I have multiple batteries, but you'll definitely go through a battery pretty quick. As you saw, you know, you can use it for the car. The foaming action was good with the attachment, so you can clean your car, you can clean your sidewalks, patio. So very versatile, and all you need is a 5-gallon bucket and some water, and you don't have to fumble around with cords or hoses. It is 320 psi, so if you're expecting more psi, you'll probably have to go with, you know, more of a corded type power washer. But definitely has its place in you know, cleaning, and I like the portability. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.